let me introduce you to an engaging method of assessment for your learners. Kahoot is a game-based learning platform that will allow you to assess your students' learning using smart devices. First of all, to sign up, type Kahoot into the search engine, select the option Kahoot Making Learning Awesome, and sign up for free. Then select your role, the name of our college, and fill in the account details. Create yourself a username, put in your Preston College email address, confirm that email address, and give yourself a password, and you're good to go. Now you've created your Kahoot account, type again into the search engine Kahoot, select the relevant link, click on Sign In, put in either your username or your email address and your password. Sign into your Kahoot account using your email address or your username, followed by your password, then click on Sign In. Once you have signed in, it will take you onto your homepage. Let's start off by looking at My Kahoots. These are all the ones that you will have created. Simply select the one that you want to use and click on Play. It'll take you onto the following screen. Display game pin throughout is an option that is extremely useful. I would certainly recommend this, to have the game pin displayed throughout. For instance, any late attending learners, they can simply use the code to join in, even if you're halfway through and you've already started. Once you've selected the option to launch, you'll then be given a unique game pin. For instance, on this one, you have 85919. Your students will be using their smart devices such as their phones or their iPads, and they'll be logging into kahoot.it and prompted to put in a game pin. Once you have completed your Kahoot, you also have the opportunity to analyse your data. Simply select Recent Results, and it'll open up a spreadsheet for you. This will give you the information of all the students that played the game, their correct answers, along with their incorrect answers. It'll also tell you the overall performance in percentages and averages. If you're using the same Kahoot across various classes, you'll also be able to compare them class by class. Now let's move on to the mechanics of creating your Kahoot. On your homepage, you have the option of Quiz along with New K. You can select either of those, as they'll take you to exactly the same destination. Give your quiz a name, and then click on Go. This will take you directly onto creating question 1. Fill in the question. Then you have the option of providing 4 possible answers. With this particular question, I only need 2 answers. Click on the minus sign, and it will take away the other 2 options. Don't forget to select the correct answer, and to make this more competitive, you can make this as a points question for your students and give them a time limit. With question 2, let me show you how to embed an image onto your Kahoot. Simply fill in the question, either drag and drop an image from your desktop, or you can select Browse. Once your image has been uploaded, select your correct answer, and there you have it. With question 3, let me show you how to embed a video. Once you've clicked on Add Question, here you have an option of either image or video. Click on Video, and you can take it directly from YouTube. Once you've selected your clip, simply copy and paste the ID, and select where you want the video to start and when you want it to end. Once you've filled in the question, provide the possible answers, then select the correct one, and if you need to go on to the next question, you have the option to do so. In this instance, we'll save and continue. Once you've selected Save and Continue, you can provide a little bit more information about your quiz. You can change the privacy setting, either to private or public, change the primary audience, and also the difficulty level. Once you've done that, click on Save and Continue. Then finally, you can give your quiz a cover image, and then click on Done. At this point, you'll be able to either edit or preview your quiz, or you can simply go on to Play Now. By clicking on this, it will provide you with your unique game pin. Another fantastic feature is the option to use the public Kahoot. These have been made available for all Kahoot users. Simply type in the title, subject, tag or username and search away. Just as an example, let's search for a Kahoot on flags. Simply type in flags into the box and all the Kahoots with flags will appear. A second example, sport perhaps. And finally, engineering. All the Kahoots for engineering will appear. Select the Kahoot that you want to use. Make sure that you check the questions, that they're appropriate for the classroom and they're appropriate to the topic that you're teaching. Then click on Play. This is a screen that you'll be familiar with. Simply click on Launch. Don't forget to display your game pin throughout. Now finally, let me show you what the student will need to do. Your learners will require a smart device such as phones or iPads. Using this device, they'll be typing in kahoot.it into the address bar, where they'll be prompted to type in the game pin along with the nickname. As this will be projected onto the board and smart TVs, they'll see their names appear. Once everyone is in, click on Start and away you go.